Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live without showing your face on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, launch the Bigo Live app. Then on the bottom of the screen, you can see there's live video, blue video like icon, chats and me. Tap on the blue video like icon, and then once you do that, you can see below add a title to chat option, and beside public option there's a small camera like icon. Tap on it. Then they're gonna ask you if you're sure to turn off the camera. Tap on sure, and now you have to tap on go live. And guys, that's it. That's how you go live on Bigo Live without showing your face. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.